Now let's move on to how to insert images on your documents. Sometimes you'll be working on documents that have photographs to be attached to the paragraphs, or an images you downloaded from the internet, you want to attach them to the document. How do you achieve this objective? Let's say in my folder here I have this very photo, this very one here. Let's say I have this 1 2 3, all these images. I have this one. This is one of the images I have. How do I attach it into the document I'm working on? Okay, let's go back to a document. I want to assume that I'm adding it to a new document, so let's close the old ones, open the new document we have here, and type something. I want add image to this paragraph. So select it, make it big. Okay, so you have to determine where exactly do you want to add this image. Is it at the beginning part of the paragraph or at the ending part? Is your choice. If you want to add it at the beginning, drop your cursor there at the beginning and go straight to insert. When you come to insert, click on pictures, then choose the picture you want to insert and click on insert button. The picture has appeared, and because the picture is a very big one, it has occupied all the whole pages, so you have to contrast it by coming down to this small icon here and push it diagonal. Keep pushing it until you get what you want. I want it to be as small as this, but I don't want all this empty space to be here. I want this space to be used. I want this text to come up to that side while this image stays here. So what do? I will have to come to this place, click on this image, then go to position. In position, tell him that you want it to be by the side, left hand side of the page. Immediately the image will respond, and then the picture, the write-ups will jump up to where they're supposed to be. They were all well fitted. You can replay this video if you are confused. So that is exactly how we achieved this. Then if you want to add another one, you can go straight to insert, go to pictures and choose another picture, and this is it. The image is at the bottom. If you want to move it down, you can take your cursor upwards and press enter. As soon as you press enter, the image will keep jumping down. You can't just drag it down and it will start moving with you, moving along. No. Then the next is if in case you want to rotate this image, you have to use this rotate icon to rotate it to any angle you want. I want it to be like this. It's your choice to make, or you want to still rotate it again. You can rotate it anyhow you want it by clicking on this, holding down your left click button and then pushing it. When you hold the left click button and push, it will rotate to any angle you want it to rotate to. Then that's how you add your images. So sometimes after adding an image, you want to give it a beautiful custom design, like make it look nice. How do you achieve that? Let's open a new page and do that. I want to insert a new image from here and click on this. The image is with me now. I'll reduce the size to this. Then I want to give it some fanciful border. What do? Double click on this image and notice that there's a new menu that has opened, which is format image menu. It's asking me that I can add some features to this image to make it look beautiful. No problem, that's exactly what we want to do. So what do? go straight to this drop down and choose from this view. If you don't want to choose yet, be dropping your hand on top of it and take a look at what will happen. See, this one gives it very thick plastic border. This one makes it have shadows. This one also gives it shadow. This one makes it nice, and just anyone you want to click. I want it to be like this, and this is what I have. So that's one of the effects you can add on an image. So what if you want to add another image, and then you want the image to be in black and white, you don't want it to be colored, though the original copy is in black and colored. You go straight to the color and then choose the color format you want. I can choose this one, and everything is in one kind of color. I don't understand the name. So you double click on it again and go straight to choose. This one is everything is blue. That is what you want, you can leave it. Then you can also make it black and white. You always choose black and white when you want to save your ink. Don't leave it at the default coloration. I said first insert the image, go straight to double click on the image to get this displayed on your screen before you now choose the coloration you want. Then if you choose any of this coloration, the image will take to that effect, and that is what we have right now. So that's much on how to add images. Then the next we want to work on is when you add some images and you need to add some artistic effects on it. What do? Click on this place and choose any artistic effect you want. Like I want to make it look blurred. The image now looks very blurred that you can't even read the write-ups on it. I can even do the same on this. Go to this artistic effect and I click this. See what it has done to it. It's almost unreadable. You want to bring it back, please press Ctrl plus Z on your keyboard. Say Ctrl Z, and the formatting features you added will be brought back to normal immediately. It doesn't take much time. Remember how I did add this? It's not much. Just go to insert, add your image, then double click on the image and choose artistic effect, any one you want, and it will take to that. Any one you want. If you want this one, and it will be like that, and it's very, very beautiful, just like an oil paint. So if you want to add borders, remember we said double click on the image, double click on the image and go straight to choose any border you want, and that is also beautiful. And remember also we said when you have your write-ups beside it, like this is it, I am coming, full stop. And the write-up is so many and you want them to rhyme with the image. What do? I have this write-up and they are a little bit big, and I want it to balance well with this image so that this unnecessary space will not be here. What you do is double click on this image and go to position, change the position to where you want it to be, and the two will balance well. It will balance well. So any other thing I start typing will now flow underneath the image, and it will form a uniform column and rows.